Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Shantae.
I'm Kaylee.
What are we making today, Kay?
Today we make macaroni and cheese.
Woo! We're gonna make macaroni and cheese. Woo! Did you know that macaroni and cheese has its own color in the Crayola colors?
I never know that.
Is that cool or what? Did you know that macaroni and cheese has also been around since the 14th century?
Wow, I didn't know that either.
Yeah, and we're in the 21st century.
Wow.
Wow, is that cool? And did you also know that July 14th is Macaroni and Cheese Day?
Wow, I didn't know that.
Okay, so I gotta share a little bit more because in my family we never made macaroni and cheese. My grandmother made macaroni and cheese for the kids, but I always felt that it wasn't healthy enough. So to make macaroni and cheese for you guys is not something I was super eager to, but I'm doing it a little bit healthier. So bear with us, right?
Yeah.
You're a mean mommy, right?
Nope, she knows.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna switch. I'm gonna let Kaylee cook. We're also got a little one burner so that Kaylee can help do it over here and learn, okay? All right, so we're gonna switch spots. And then we're gonna go over the ingredients. Okay, so you have one of these spoons. You can start stirring, right?
But I put a ingredient in.
The ingredients in? I know. So we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of butter. Dump it in, please. Okay. Put that over there. And then we are going to put some garlic, a tablespoon of garlic. All right, and you're gonna have to start stirring as it's melting, okay? I think that was onion powder. It's a tablespoon of onion powder and a tablespoon of, is it not coming out?
No.
All right, well here. We live in Florida, maybe it's damp. Okay. Watch your hands because the pan might be hot, okay? I don't want you to, did it come out? Okay, so what do we do? Here, what did I just do? Over top of it, hold your hand up high. There you go. Good job. Get it? Okay, that was the, that smells like garlic, right? So
yeah.
It's a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of onion powder, and this is a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so now I think you can get mixing. Okay, so just stir, stir gently. Okay, very good. Now can you see it starting to melt?
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep it going. When the butter's melted a little bit more, I think we're gonna also do a tablespoon of
You know when the butter doesn't move themselves, or do we turn the butter?
I want you to stir the butter. You're good. Okay, as soon as we get it all melted, then we're gonna throw in our secret ingredient.
Okay.
It's not really secret though, is it?
No, not really.
Okay, all right, does it melt almost? Get that one a little bit. Stir it up. Okay, now the secret ingredient is butternut squash. Woohoo! I'm sorry. You want to do it? Okay, there you go. Now. Oh, you didn't get it all. Okay. We're just using frozen butternut squash, 2 packages. And then we're gonna let that melt down, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to still keep stirring. We're gonna let it get into we're gonna let it keep cooking. Okay, so Kaylee is sauteing. We're gonna mash it a little bit too, right, Kay? Because what we're basically trying to do, I'm gonna mash, you stir, is we are trying to get it like the consistency of a liquidy cream cheese, okay? So we're mashing it all down, right? Let me get over there and I'll show you a little. Do you want to mash? All right, it's a little, I'm gonna add a little bit of, I'm just gonna add a little bit of chicken broth to it, guys.
Be really careful.
Just to thin it out a little bit. And go ahead and stir it up, babe. And the reason we're using butternut squash is just because it is the right color, but also to kind of make macaroni and cheese a little bit healthier with providing a vegetable.
Squish it down.
Squish it down. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken broth. Okay, just keep squishing. I don't know if that's a cooking term, squishing, is it? But we're gonna keep making it, but you can see it's getting a little thinned out, so that's good. Keep going, okay? Keep going. Okay, so we're mashing it up. You can see it's starting to look a little bit more creamy. So, okay. Now, keep going, okay? I'm gonna let you keep going. And I'll put that down. Now we can add the cream cheese. Yep, it is popping a little bit. We'll turn it down a little tad. This is new for us too, guys. We're using the, what is it called? A burner on one side? What is this?
A burner.
Okay. Ooh, boy. Okay. Now we're gonna get that a little bit melted. Put those in the sink, baby.
I put Parmesan cheese and Michigan cheese.
Well, and sharp cheddar.
Yeah, sharp cheddar cheese.
So technically we were supposed to do 8 ounces of sharp cheddar, but we didn't have that. And so we had some Mexican cheese, so we threw that in. So anything will work, whatever your family likes. But you can see it's starting to get really thick. So now we're gonna put the noodles in. We'll do it a little bit at a time. All right, where's your spoon? Okay, so I pre-cooked the elbow noodles. Is that what they're called?
Yeah.
Okay, you're good. Go ahead, hold it on. Hold it and stir. It's just gonna take a little bit.
I don't like burn them.
You're not gonna burn yourself. You just wanna stir it and cover them all right?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see now, it pretty much looks like macaroni and cheese. You could always sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top of it when you're serving it, right? For the kids. Uh-oh.
If you go to maybe to a school, maybe you can make it for your kids.
Oh, for a school for the kids? Okay. All right, so I think we're about done, Kay. We could probably plate it up and you can have some, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, not yet.
Okay, so we've taken it out of the big pot and put it in a bowl. However you want to serve it, you can serve it right from the pot, no problem. I put some into a bowl so it's easier for Kaylee to eat, right?
Mm-hmm.
So she can have a bite. But we think this is a nice little healthier version to macaroni and cheese. So create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. I'm on Facebook and YouTube. Please dislike and subscribe. If you have more videos, show me to my mom for next time.
More recipes, so we know some things you want us to cook. So, okay, you gonna eat it? Hold it up. Can I have some?
All right.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Woo! All right. All right, have a good time.